Alrighty, guys. Well, what a crazy last couple of days. We were closed for 3 days, so there's been a lot that's happened over these past couple of days. Now, we're going to get into the charts in just a second. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like my videos and you enjoy my videos. Now, real quick, this is my Discord community. I didn't really do much today. Again, this is a crazy time. I'm going to go into the charts in a second and we'll look at some stuff. But, I've been keeping cash. I bought some shares about 2 weeks ago and I sold them today. Didn't make a ton, made a few $100. But honestly, I want to stay cash and I'm going to show you why I want to stay cash here in just a second. Now, if you want plays like this, you want alerts, you want analysis, technicals, and stuff like that, check out my Discord. The link is in the description. I post even ideas like this, trade ideas every single morning. And today that was basically, this was a banger right here, basically here on Amazon. So I was telling my community that watch for this level, and as you can see, we were rejected off of it. I was saying, if we reject off of this level, watch for it, get some puts to the downside, and it played out very well. So if you want those morning trade ideas, again, check the link out in the description. Okay. Also, really quick, check this out. This is actually super cool. This is my school community. So we learn how to trade in here. If you don't know how to learn, if you don't know how to trade, this is where you can learn to trade. Now, we just created this scanner right here, this AI chart scanner. Again, the link is in the description if you want to go check it out, you want to go read it. But basically, just really quick, you pop a chart into this screener and it tells you whether to go long, tells you whether to go short. It gives you your support levels, your resistance levels, a long-term trade, a short-term trade. It is super, super cool. I am super excited for this thing. So if you want to check that out, link is in the description. Okay. So let's go on over to the the chart. Sorry, something's in my throat, I think. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm getting sick again. All right. So again, on the weekend, basically President Trump gave Iran 48 hours to open the Strait of Hormuz, and if they didn't, he said, in quotes, all hell will break loose. Okay. Now, as I'm recording this, it is Monday night. So, tomorrow's Tuesday. I mean, anything can happen. Like I've been telling my Discord community, this is a good time. This is just like the April lows back in 2025. Okay. I mean, if you were trading in this time, you know how this, oops, shoot, sorry. You know how this was. I mean, look at this. Literally, just this was the April. This was the top right here. And when we sold off for weeks and weeks and weeks, probably, from basically February all the way up until, April. So pretty much, I mean, we're in April now. Okay. So, you know, again, it kind of looks similar. It kind of looks similar. Look at that dump. I'm thinking that potentially we can have one more leg down. Now, one thing that I'm looking at, and one thing that I noticed today on the charts as I was looking at it, as you can see, this level here at 659.72, it's rejected a few times already. So this could signal some more downside. So that's the first thing I'm looking at. Second thing I'm looking at is we are rejecting off of the 21 EMA. Okay. Usually, when we hit the 21 EMA, as you can see, we hit it there. We only hit it once, but we hit it. Actually, no, we hit it twice. Hit it twice and rejected. So, like, usually, again, kind of like the 200 SMA, if we're above the 21 SMA, then, or should I say above the 21 EMA, then, that's a good time to go long if we get a bounce, and then vice versa to the downside. So, I mean, as you can see right here, this was a great time here to go to, buy puts to the downside. And this was another great time. So, now that we're hitting it again, unless we can break above the 21 SMA, I would say, again, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research. But I would say that this would be a good time to go short if, again, we rejected off of it today. Okay. Now we have to see what happens tomorrow. We have to see. Okay. Now, also, another thing, too, is that we also are coming up on the 21 the 200 SMA. So if we were to break above this level, hold this level, we could shoot up, test this 662 level, so almost 663 level, see if we want to go further than that. And if not, then we reject and come back down. Okay, so that's really what I'm looking for SPY. I believe there's more downside to come. So you tell me what you think, and let's get ready for a super crazy volatile day tomorrow. Okay.